Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean Truelove here from True Love Quilts for You. No tutorial today. I'm not sewing or I'm not sewing in front of the camera. Just a few minutes I wanted to share with you the fact that Jen, my friend Jen, who I taught to quilt, she started about 2 years ago. She's now an advanced beginner. My friend Jen and I are going to be going to a quilt show at the end of March. And I just wanted to let you know, if you're in the Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Lancaster County area, we are going to the AQS Quilt Week, and it's being held at the Lancaster County Convention Center. That is on 25 South Queen Street, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, 17603. If any of you are familiar with Lancaster County, it's called the Amish country. There's quite a large Amish community. The AQS show is a cut above. There's different organizations that put on different quilt shows, and Jen and I like to go to each one, and all of the works of art there, as we say. I always say I think I'm an experienced quilter. I love my quilts. I have been accepted into a couple of quilt shows, but the caliber of quilts that hopefully I will be able to video and I will be able to take still pictures of and I will put up, as you have seen me do in the past, are second to none. They are works of art, belong in museums. Some of these quilters who work on these quilts, and it's such a visual treat for Jen and I to see. So we are going to be at the AQS Quilt Week on March 27th. Now the show begins March 25th, Wednesday, and it runs till Saturday, March 28th. We are going to go on the Friday. We are going on Friday, March 27th. I believe the general admission doors open at 10 o'clock. I think there's an early bird. You can look it up on their website. The one-day fee for a non-member is $14 to get in for one day. You can get a wristband to go all days. I'm not quite sure what that is, but you can look it up. I am a member. I bought a membership a while ago after I went to the quilt show, an AQS quilt show. I went with Maxwell. If you want to look back on that video, Jen wasn't available. I went with Maxwell to the quilt show, and that was an AQS quilt show. And I became a member, and I think it was a very good value for money. Actually, I got a couple of magazines and some of their magazines that they put out, and I got some other goodies. I don't quite remember, but I will be paying $11.20 for my membership. Children under 12 are free, and children 13 to 18 are only $5. So if your kids are out of school, again, I just want to address something. Jen and I and our circle of friends are very huggy people. We sometimes take people by surprise because we'll meet someone and give them a hug. People go, "What?" Total strangers. We are now very aware that we can't do that. We can't do that, especially now. Joking aside with this coronavirus scare, it's not cool. In fact, at our Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, we've had letters read saying if you're the least bit ill, sniffles, cough, cold, do not come to the meetings. Taking this very, very seriously. No hugging, which as a group we like to hug. We're very friendly people. I'll hug a stranger. And people are like, "Oh, so if we do see you, if you want to come and see Jen and I, we would love to give you a hug, but we'll just say, oh, hey, how you doing?" Because this is nothing to mess about with. I'm going to put up a link of really, really good article, again, about precautions and as an organization, what we've done to help ourselves. This could be a pandemic or not, but there's no reason not to take life seriously. And our God has given us a beautiful life, and to ignore warnings, not cool at all. So we'll do the best we can. Again, just hand washing and common sense, but some other things. So I'm going to put the link up to that article. Very, very interesting. So we will be at Quilt Week if we are healthy. And actually yesterday we have our meetings on a Sunday morning at 10 o'clock. I had woken up with a tickle in my throat. I am not ill. I just have a slight tickle. Like, and I'm thinking, oh, I can't, I'll have to suppress my cough because of this heightened sense of awareness. And I'm thinking, I didn't go to the meeting. And I thought, no, that's wise. Don't stop. You know, if you're the slightest bit anything, just don't go to the meetings. Avoid large crowds. I was even wondering, avoiding large crowds, if the Quilt Week would be canceled. Quite a few organizations are canceling large crowds of people. So I was just wondering, but I will let you know if that happens. Or I'm sure you, if you were planning to go, you will know that. But anyway, that's that. We will be at the AQS Quilt Week in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, out in Amish country. It's nice. You see horse and buggies. We will be there Friday, March 27th. Health-wise, if everything is cool. And if we see you, we'll have a wave. And we can take pictures of you and put you on my YouTube channel. It's so nice to meet people who recognize Jen and I. That's the coolest thing. It's really lovely. It's really lovely to put a face to the name and to meet you and have a chat. So hopefully we can see some of you there in Pennsylvania, in Amish country, out in Lancaster County. It's about, if we don't get lost, we'll get there at 10 o'clock. when Jen and I went to the last quilt show in another one out in Lancaster, we got lost. It took us like 2 hours. Well, it's only an hour away from here. And we were chatting and nattering on, and we just went past the all the exits. And all of a sudden I'm like, Jen, where are we going? And she goes, oh, sorry. I'm like, Jen, you're supposed to be my navigator. Funny. So hopefully this week we'll get there when the doors open at 10 o'clock-ish. And we're just going to stay for a few hours. It's going to be lovely. Take some pictures of beautiful quilts. And then I will put them up if you can't get there. Wait for my video to see some of these lovely quilts. All right, folks. Thank you. I hope you have a healthy, safe day. Take precautions. Be careful. And all of you stay healthy. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.